Imagine if you could learn about AI, not in a long, complicated course, but in just a few minutes. Picture yourself understanding the basics of artificial intelligence, all without any tech headaches or confusing jargon. It might sound impossible, but it's not. In fact, you're about to see just how simple it can be. And you can actually learn the essentials of AI in less time than it takes to cook a pot of pasta. That's right. While your noodles are boiling, you could be unlocking the secrets of one of the most powerful technologies of our time. No need to clear your schedule or set aside hours. Right now, you can start learning, even if you're busy or on the go. Forget the stress. Forget the coding. AI isn't just for computer whizzes, engineers, or science fiction fans. It's for everyone. Your grandma, your neighbor who still uses a flip phone, your little cousin who loves cartoons. If you can use a phone or browse the internet, you can understand AI. It's not about being a tech genius. It's about being curious and open to learning something new. This is the 2026 edition. AI, no coding, no stress, and absolutely no need to feel overwhelmed. Why does AI matter so much? Because it's everywhere, quietly shaping the world around us. It's not just a buzzword or a trend, it's a tool that's already woven into our daily lives. From the shows you binge watch on your favorite streaming service, to the way your phone unlocks with just a glance, AI is working behind the scenes. It helps you find new music, suggests recipes, and even helps doctors diagnose illnesses. You might not see it, but it's there, making life easier and more personalized. In a world that's moving faster every single day, those who understand AI, even just a little, can move with it. Whether you're a student, a parent, a professional, or retired, knowing how AI works gives you an edge. It helps you make smarter choices, stay connected, and even opens up new opportunities. This essay will show you how easy it is to get started. You might think of AI as a giant confusing robot from the movies, but today you'll see it's more like a helpful assistant, ready to make your life simpler, not scarier. It's about making technology work for you, not the other way around. I promise you can understand AI, use it in your daily life, and maybe even teach it a thing or two. There's no need to sweat or feel intimidated. With just a few minutes, you'll see how approachable and friendly AI can be. You might even surprise yourself with how much you already know. So let's jump in together and discover why you're already part of the AI revolution, even if you didn't realize it. By the end of these 9 minutes, you'll see AI in a whole new light, and you'll be ready to make it work for you. AI stands for artificial intelligence. That just means machines or programs that can think a little bit like a person. But don't imagine a talking robot. Think of a smart helper that learns patterns, makes suggestions, or helps you get things done. You know when Netflix suggests a movie you'll actually like? That's AI. When YouTube finds just the right video for you, or your phone unlocks when it sees your face, that's AI too. It looks for signals, like what you watch, when you watch, and what you skip. Then it guesses what you want next. AI is also behind traffic apps like Google Maps predicting traffic jams, your email's spam filter, and even autocorrect when you text. It's not magic, it's just learning from tons of data. AI doesn't have feelings, it can't dream up new ideas like you, but it's very good at spotting patterns and making life smoother, faster, and sometimes more fun. Here's a secret. Whether you realize it or not, you already use artificial intelligence every single day. It's not just something out of science fiction or reserved for tech experts in labs. AI is quietly woven into the fabric of your daily routines, making life a little easier, a little smarter, and sometimes even a little more fun. For example, when you ask Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, set a reminder, or tell you the weather, you're actually talking to AI. These smart assistants listen, understand, and respond to your voice, learning your preferences over time. Or think about online shopping. When an online store seems to magically know your style and shows you shoes or gadgets you actually love, that's AI at work, analyzing your clicks, searches, and purchases to recommend just the right thing. Even in your kitchen, AI is helping out. If your smart fridge tells you you're out of milk or suggests recipes based on what's inside, that's AI keeping track and lending a hand. Let's try some more examples, because AI is everywhere, often in places you might not expect. Have you ever traveled abroad and used Google Translate to read a menu or chat with someone in another language? That's AI figuring out the best way to say things, translating not just words, but meaning and context in real time. Or maybe you've played with Instagram or Snapchat filters, those fun effects that put sunglasses on your face or turn you into a cartoon. That's AI too, tracking your facial features and adding digital magic to your selfies. Even your doctor might use AI. In some hospitals, AI helps analyze X-rays and scans, spotting problems faster and sometimes more accurately than humans alone. It's helping doctors make better decisions and catch issues early. Your bank uses AI to keep your money safe. It watches for unusual activity on your credit card and can send you a fraud alert in seconds, stopping thieves before they do real damage. So, if you thought AI was just for techies or young people, think again. AI is for everyone, everywhere, helping families, seniors, and kids alike, often without them even noticing. You don't have to be a computer whiz to use AI. If you can use a phone, a tablet, or even a smart appliance, you're already benefiting from AI's power. Whether you're shopping online, streaming your favorite TV shows, or just scrolling through social media, AI is working behind the scenes to personalize your experience and make things smoother. The next step? Start using AI on purpose. Explore new apps, try out smart home devices, and see how AI can make your life even better now that you know it's already part of your world. Why should you care about learning AI right now? It's a question a lot of people are asking, and the answer is more important than ever. Because the world is changing fast and AI is leading the way. Every day, new tools and apps powered by artificial intelligence are popping up, transforming how we work, communicate, and even relax. In 2026, more jobs want people who can use or understand AI, even just a little. Companies are searching for people who can adapt, learn quickly, and use technology to solve problems. If you learn basic AI, you'll be ahead of most people. Think about it. While others are just starting to notice AI, you'll already know how to use it to make your life easier and your work more impressive. Imagine this. Two people apply for the same job. One says, "I'm not good with technology." They might have great experience, but they're missing a key skill. The other says, "I know how to use AI tools to write, plan, or find information. I can help your team work faster and smarter." Who do you think gets the job? It's almost always the one with AI skills, even if they just started learning. Employers want people who are ready for the future, not stuck in the past. And it's not just jobs. AI is changing how we live at home too. From smart assistants that help you remember appointments to apps that organize your day, AI is everywhere. Many people use AI to start side hustles or make money from home. You don't need a fancy office or a big team, just a laptop and some curiosity. You can use AI to write blogs, design funny t-shirts, help businesses answer emails, or even create videos and social media posts. The possibilities are growing every day, or you could teach others what you learn. Sharing your knowledge about AI can open doors to tutoring, online courses, or even starting your own YouTube channel. The best part? You don't have to be a genius or spend years studying. Most AI tools are designed to be simple and user-friendly, so anyone can start. Learning AI now is like learning how to drive before everyone else has a car. It's a superpower that puts you ahead of the crowd, giving you confidence and new opportunities. And you can start today in plain English. There are free resources, beginner guides, and friendly communities ready to help you, so why wait? The future is here, and learning AI is your ticket to staying ahead. People talk about AI like it's one big thing, but there are really three types. Don't worry, this is simple. First, there's narrow AI. This is the type we use every day, like Netflix recommendations or Face Unlock. It does one job and does it well. Second, there's general AI. This would be a machine that can do anything a human can do. But guess what? That type doesn't exist yet. Not even close. The third is super AI, which would be way smarter than humans. But that's science fiction for now. So for now, just focus on narrow AI. That's the kind you can use today. It helps with writing, searching, learning, and more. No robots needed. You don't need to worry about sci-fi stuff or robots taking over. Just learn the tools that help you today. That's where all the action is. Think of AI like a child just starting school. You show a child lots of pictures of cats and say, "These are cats." Next time the child sees a new picture, she can say, "That's a cat." AI learns the same way, by seeing lots and lots of examples, then spotting patterns. If you want AI to write you a poem, you show it lots of poems. If you want it to recognize your voice, you let it listen to you talk. AI is not magic. It just remembers patterns it has seen before and tries its best to guess the next one. AI sometimes makes mistakes, just like a child who's still learning, but the more it sees, the better it gets. That's why your phone's autocorrect keeps improving, or your movie suggestions get more accurate. You don't need to know how to build the AI, you just need to know how to show it what you want, and how to ask it the right questions. Here's where it gets fun. You can start using AI tools today for free with zero coding. Two of the best for beginners are ChatGPT for writing, ideas, help with anything, and Microsoft Copilot, which is built into Windows and online. Just talk to them in plain English. Try this 7-day plan. Day 1, ask ChatGPT for a joke or a fun fact. Day 2, use it to write a short email. Day 3, ask for a recipe using what's in your fridge. Day 4, have it help you brainstorm a business name or slogan. Day 5, try Microsoft Copilot to summarize a news article. Day 6, use AI to plan a day trip or find a new hobby. Day 7, teach a friend or family member one thing you learned. Here's the trick. The better your question, the better the answer. Bad prompt. Tell me about dogs. Good prompt. List 5 fun facts about golden retrievers for a child. Be specific, be clear, and AI will amaze you. Many beginners make the same mistakes, waiting for the right time, being afraid of technology, or trying every tool at once and getting lost. Don't wait, don't fear, just start simple. One tool, one task, one day at a time. You don't need to love technology, you don't need to write code. If you can ask a question in plain English, you can use AI. That's all you need. Remember, jobs of the future will choose people who know how to use AI, even a little. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to start. So open ChatGPT or Copilot now. Ask something you care about, try it every day, share what you learn. Stay tuned for more simple tips coming soon because AI is for you and your future starts today.